Welcome to this tutorial on adding background colors to text boxes in Canva. Let's dive into 4 different methods to achieve this effect. Start by going to the Text tab and adding the text you need. Method 1. Click on the text, then navigate to the effects. Choose Background Style. Adjust the roundness, spread, transparency, and color to customize the background. Method 2. Head over to the Elements tab and search for Wireframe Bar. Click Graphics. Select a suitable wireframe bar and drag it onto the canvas near your text. Right-click, go to the layer, choose Send to Back. You can easily adjust the color of the wireframe bar to complement your design. Method 3. In the Elements tab, search for Gradient Wireframe button. Add a gradient effect to your text box. Method 4. Search for shapes in the Elements tab. Choose a shape that fits your design, drag it onto the canvas. Modify the background color to enhance the text box. And there you have it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Thank you for watching.